right, guys, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, press that notification bell, and leave a comment, guys. And make sure you do that because you don't want to miss any new videos or any new updates. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It's Romy from Solid Gold Shows. Okay, after the rain, we're getting close to the flood area here, so it will slow down and make sure when you guys go to the water like this is you don't press the brake, but just to slow down. So there's a few more what my wife called puddles.
Flood.
It's more of a flood. See, it says flooded. So this is not that bad, but we'll slow down. You don't want to go
Puddle.
too fast. All right. I think the first one is a really puddle area. Some people okay, I think this is a little bit more now right here, so we'll slow down really good because you don't want to start sliding down.
Take a swim.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big problem if we do, you know. So this is 15 miles an hour. Okay, we're past it. Oh, we're gonna check out the well that we have here right in front. And yeah, I got a friend. They said they're gonna check it out if there's water in there, and they can fix it. But I'm crossing my fingers, guys. I'm hoping there's still water in there, so we can get it fixed. So that's gonna benefit the land, the food forest here. And yeah, let's go check it out. Come on. All right, let's go here in front. And Bear is following me. And she wants to check too if there's water in there. All right, come on. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's right over here. So got a flashlight. So we're gonna check. I know we can't see much in there. Yeah, there's lots of debris in there. And hopefully we can get those debris, and hopefully there's water in there. But we'll check it out and see. And yeah, guys, just make sure to wish me luck that we can get this fixed and there's water in there. Let's see how the sunset will turn out in a few minutes, if it's gonna change. Usually it changes, but yeah, for now this is how it looks like. I need to change the flag as well. I shouldn't be letting it fly like that. It's all broken up. You're not supposed to. So yeah, so Sunday I'm gonna go buy a new one. You're here again, huh? You always want to be with me, Bear. Oh, that's bear.